Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show how to fix the something unexpected happened error. It's a common issue in Valorant. First, hit start, type run, open it, then type regedit. Okay, now open the registry. Let's continue. Go to hkey underscore local underscore machine, open software, then Microsoft. Now open Windows NT, then current version. Look for image file execution options. Find dp underscore override enable, click modify, enter 1, and hit OK. This should fix the error. If 1 doesn't work, try 0. That's all folks. Don't forget to like. See you later.